I want to teach you how you can use AI to write your Facebook and your Instagram ad copy. Now, an ad copy is a short description of whatever you are selling. Now, let's say, for example, now you're a fashion designer and you want to use Facebook and Instagram ad to acquire students, you want to train them in fashion designing. So that write-up you are going to add to your ad creative, which could be a video or a graphic design, that write-up is called an ad copy. So in this video, I want to teach you how you can use AI to write compelling ad copy that when someone read it, they want to buy whatever you are selling. So I'm going to be dropping the prompt in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to share this video so that you can reach more people, and also follow this page to get more teaching like this about ads and AI and sales. So let's go straight to the video. Let me show you how to do it.
So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to write your Facebook and Instagram ad copy. You can also write for your Google ad copy. You can write for your YouTube, TikTok, and all of that. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to be dropping the prompt I'm using in the comment section of this video. If you're yet to subscribe or yet to follow, better do so now. And also, if you want to learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ad for your business, or you want to run it and offer it as a service to business owner, check the comment section. My number will be there. I have a course that can help you to achieve that purpose. Let's get started. So you come here, you hit your ChatGPT. Are we experiencing bad network? It's raining. Okay, it has opened, so you paste your prompt here. Just wait for it to come up. So you click this thing that looks like an arrow that looks black there up. You wait for it to write your copy. Now, Facebook ad copy, as you can see here, your business doesn't need more leads, it needs more buyers. So this is the copy. So you can see now. So I can now copy it and use it and write my Facebook ad. Now it give me 10 hot headline. Have you seen? Have you seen? So I now copy whatever I want there. Even give me add video script again. So let's just see what he wrote here first. Now, this particular copy, I tend to write a copy that I'm going to use to run ad to get clients to run ad for them. That is, say your business doesn't need most leads, it needs more buyers. So most business owners don't have a lead problem, they have a buyer's problem. They're spending hundreds of thousands, even months on marketing, yet phone stays silent and the sales team blame the economy. So the same. So I now copy it and go and remove or add whatever I want to add. So this is how to use AI to write your social media ad copy. So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use AI to rewrite the content you wrote for it to sound more better and professional and compelling and achieve the purpose you want it to achieve for you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to share this video so others can get to learn. I'll see you in the next video.